Some said 50 is the new 40. When a man is in midlife crisis, he will turn it into a midlife discovery. He is not old until regrets take the place of dreams. Everything looks better from the inside of a motorcycle helmet. Sometimes you find yourself in the middle of nowhere, and sometimes, in the middle of nowhere, you find yourself. Life is like riding a motorcycle. We can keep from falling if we keep moving. No hour of life is wasted when it's spent on two wheels. Let's feel the exhilaration of riding through God's creation with the scent of the air and every nuance of weather around you. Great memories happen when you don't know where you are going. It's not just an engine, it's the heart of the rider. It is a combination of fear, relaxation, and pleasure that changes you forever. Your new chapter will be even better than the last one. Farewell now, and best of luck on your exciting new adventure. Remember, never travel faster than your guardian angel can fly.